Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be unpackaging, I guess, more so than unboxing, the February IPSY Glam bag. It was $13. I ordered it in the beginning of February, and it just arrived today on March 1st, so that's why it's up so late. There was a delay. But anyway, let's just get right into it. There we go. First thing we're gonna see is the makeup bag that it comes with, which of course is Valentine. Oh, it's got a cute little heart zipper that says IPSY on it, and lots of little hearts all over it. Very cute. What's inside? Oh, look, it's official. Rihanna's iconic brand, Fenty, is coming to IPSY. So that's pretty exciting. Full hearts. Swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you, whether it's snapping a glam selfie or cozying up with your favorite rom-com. Treat this month as an invitation to fill your heart with what you love. This was for February. How to support Black entrepreneurs this month. Okay, next thing in the bag. What's this tiny thing? Oh, I thought I was gonna have to cut it open. I did not. It's a little bubble wrap. Peek. I Will Stay naturally long wearing eyeshadow in the color Wednesday, it seems like. It's like some tape on the outside here. Oh, that's super pretty. Oh, it matches my nail polish that I just did for this video. Okay, so there's like, it's like a purple with like kind of a rose gold shift to it. So really pretty. It's almost like looking kind of brown on screen, but it's like a purple with like gold and like other shifts in it. Really pretty. Really pretty. That'll definitely get some use from me. Next thing in the bag is Goldfaden MD Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. Dr. Goldfaden's concentrated rehydrating serum helps to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections, illuminate dull skin, reduce the appearance of unwanted red areas, leaving skin glowing and looking vibrant. Well, I want to look glowing and vibrant, so that's nice. I'm always looking to try new skincare products. Next, Clay Mask, Detox and Tighten, Glacial Oceanic Clay Mask. This gentle and purifying mask is made with high concentrations of glacial oceanic clay, rich in 60+ minerals. It softens and firms the skin, tightens pores, and removes excess oil all at the same time, leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Wonderful. Can't wait to try that. These are all like, you know, smaller containers of things. Obviously, if you've ever looked at IPSY before, then you know that it's smaller. That's all that's in the bag, but I do think there's something else in here. Ooh, a dual-ended eyeliner pencil in the color Matte Deep Plum and Metallic Pearl. I have short nails, so opening packages, it's a little tough right now. So this is the deep plum side. And that's great because it actually like goes with the eyeshadow that it came with. I've gotten bags like this in the past and not everything goes together and then you can't really create a look from it. It's just random stuff. This is the pearl side. So cool. I've actually been like looking to get more into like pencil liners as opposed to like liquid eyeliners. They're just easier to do stuff like during the day, like a day look, you know, and I can just throw it in my bag and put it on when I'm at work. It's not super difficult to like put on. Yeah, so I'm actually pretty excited about this. Really pretty colors too. Let me show it in camera again. And everything matches. All right, so the last thing. It's a contour brush. Cool, I don't have a brush like this. Oh, it's so soft. Didn't these used to come with like things explaining what they were? Like, what's this made out of? Well, I'm gonna look all of this stuff up afterwards, after I'm done filming this and while I'm editing. And if I can, I'll link anything that I find and show it on screen so you know like what it is and where to find it if you're interested. That is all. That's it for the IPSY box this month. Hopefully March will be coming soon. And I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.